SO4CG Accuracy Simple Maintenance Operation Guide, only applicable to the accuracy error of plus or minus 2 mm within 10 meters. Machine Principle. What causes the accuracy error? Generally speaking, the accuracy of the machine may deviate due to various reasons such as falling or impact. For example, this is an internal pendulum. Since the bottom laser model for this machine is fixed with the pendulum, the accuracy of the bottom laser model needs to be adjusted by adjusting the balance of the whole pendulum, while the accuracy of the other three laser models can be adjusted by adjusting the 4 screws around. Therefore, there are two cases to adjust the accuracy of this machine. The first case is to adjust the balance of the whole pendulum to achieve the accuracy adjustment of the bottom model. The second case is to adjust the accuracy of other individual laser models separately. Let's explain it in two cases. First case: how to adjust the balance of the whole pendulum to achieve the accuracy adjustment of the bottom model. It can be seen that there are two copper screws under the pendulum, which can control the balance of the two directions of the pendulum. Referring to a principle, if the weight of this side of the copper screw is heavier, it is necessary to tighten the copper screw so that the copper screw is close to the center of the pendulum to achieve balance on both sides. If the weight of one side of the copper screw is lighter, it is necessary to loosen the copper screw so that the copper screw is far away from the center of the pendulum to achieve balance on both sides. According to the principle of the weight, the balance of the whole pendulum can be adjusted to achieve the precision adjustment of the bottom model. The second case: how to adjust the accuracy of the laser model separately. It is mainly achieved by adjusting the 4 screws around. First of all, understand the principle of adjusting the laser model. There is a spherical chamfer at the bottom of the laser model to match with the hole of the pendulum, and a certain gap is left. The rotation of the laser model is realized by adjusting the tightness of the screw. For example, the accuracy of the laser line can be adjusted by simultaneously tightening the screws on one side and loosening the screws on the opposite corner. Through this principle, the accuracy of each laser model can be adjusted separately. Preparing the tools: Phillips screwdriver PH2, hexagonal screwdriver 2.0, anaerobic glue, screw glue. Remove the window cover. Remove the model window cover with a plumb screwdriver. Fix the copper screw. Apply toothpick paste anaerobic glue on the surface of the copper screw, and then screw it to the best position. Precision control environment. In a 20 meter x 20 meter room, put the line throwing instrument in the center, open the laser, observe the position relationship between the laser line and the reference line, and adjust the accuracy according to the adjustment method. If there is no standard room, a wall with a distance greater than 10 meters can be used to ensure that the laser line is 10 meters away from the line projector. Mark it on the wall and then turn the laser 180 degrees, then making another mark on the wall. Then take an intermediate value as the reference line. After that, adjust the screw to adjust the horizontal line to the reference line. At last, reset the test and verify. The specific adjustment depends on the deviation of the actual situation, and adjust corresponding screw for accuracy leveling. Inverted cone precision adjustment method. Turn on the laser through the laser at the wall. Mark the target line on the white wall. Rotate the fuselage 180 degrees to make the target line after rotation. Compare the difference and adjust the screw position of the reference line. Normal cone precision adjustment method. Turn on the laser, throw the laser at the wall, mark the target line on the white wall, rotate the fuselage 180 degrees to make the target line after rotation. Compare the difference and adjust the screw position of the reference line. Front vertical precision adjustment method. Align the front vertical line with the standard prototype. Check the top and side wall connection coincidence. Compare the difference and adjust the screw position of the reference line. Left vertical precision adjustment method. Align the left vertical line with the standard prototype. Check the top and side wall connection coincidence. Compare the difference and adjust the screw position of the reference line. Fixed glue. Fixing the model screws. Fill screw glue with needle cylinder. Align the needle at the interface between the model screws and the model frame plane, and then do the dispensing. Reassemble the machine and cure it at a high temperature. It can be cured for 6 hours at a room temperature.